This is White Tank Vistas in Waddell, Arizona, where you can get a brand new Mattamy home with mountain views starting in the mid-4s. 14 floor plans up to 3,288 square feet, and the largest regional park in Maricopa County right here. I'm going to walk you through these homes so you can see if you think this community is a great fit for you, and I'm going to share a secret incentive at the end of the video. Let's get inside. Okay, we just stepped into the Auburn floor plan. This is a 3-bedroom flex room, 2.5 bath, 3-car garage home, and you're going to love it. Let's go. Okay, right off the entryway, we have our split bedrooms, 2 and 3. Light and bright and absolutely gorgeous. And of course, in between here is our shared bath. Bedroom number 2. Very nice size. All right, let's head back out into the hallway. And then we're gonna take a peek to our left right here. And here you have your drop zone. And here's your entryway off of the garage. I'd love to show it to you, but as usual, they do have sales offices in there. Here you have a beautiful laundry room. And that's nice because you can shut the door and you're not gonna hear your laundry going, and you don't have to go in and out through your laundry space. Check out this beautiful open living space. This is just one of the many reasons I love Mattamy Homes. And the more I visit them, the more I like them. These homes, although they do offer upgrades, if you want to customize every little thing like the tile backsplash, the lighting, of course, those will be upgrades, but a lot of the things that you do see in the Mattamy home come standard. So their designs are really, really thoughtful, and they're updated for today's living, and they show like beautiful high-end homes. Here's your pantry. And of course, these are beautiful warm cabinets. That would be an upgrade. Although definitely worth it. I love the color palette in the home. And you have 10-foot standard ceilings in these homes as well. Beautiful dining room space. Let's head off into the main bedroom. Again, I'm going to say that this main bedroom size is just fantastic. And it, of course, is very bright with the windows flanking the bed, the king-size bed. And here you see the White Tank Mountains, which is just outside your back door. And over here to the south, you see South Mountains. Very nice. Let's go check out this main bathroom. Toilet space out here. Dual vanity. And one of Mattamy's signatures here are the spacious walk-in showers. And a very nice size main closet here as well. Believe it or not, there's even more space over here, so let's go see that bonus space. And here we are in the bonus room. And here's your powder bath for your guests. And it's convenient because it is right off of this area here. They're showing it as an office. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Sure feels like as we're walking through here, a lot more than 2,278 square feet. Let me know in the comments what you think. Here we are in this beautiful, spacious lot and backyard. Just so you know, it is windy out here. Typically get some wind in the hot afternoons. So these are 60-foot wide lots, and they are very, very spacious. There's no pool back here, but as we can see, they got a nice fire feature here and an outdoor space for entertaining. Mattamy offers 3 levels of homes in this particular subdivision. In this series of home particularly, these are 60-foot wide lots. They feel very spacious, and on the largest size footprint, of course, those will go up to 70 feet wide. Real quick reminder for all you home buyers out there, always bring your realtor with you. Those sales agents, as nice and wonderful as they are, they don't work for you, they work for the builder. And once you come in and register without your realtor, you lose that advocate that's working just for you, making sure that you are guided every step of the way in one of the largest purchases of your life. And if you decide that we might be a good fit to help represent you, please get in touch with us. We'd be honored to help you out. Real quick, I wanted to just tell you about the area before we move on to the next model. You are situated right here at the base of the White Tank Mountains in the West Valley of Phoenix. You are about 12 minutes from the 303 freeway. And of course, once you're there, you can head in any direction. There's shopping and entertainment very close by. If you're heading northbound on the 303, you are just a couple of exits away from the Posada shopping area. And if that's not your choice, you can head just south and you are going to be right in the Verrado area, which is another lovely community. There's plenty of golf, there's plenty of entertainment. There's plenty of things to do right here, and you get the benefit of being right up on the base of the White Tank Mountains, and the views out here are incredible. So let's head on out and see model number 2. Real quick, just as we're walking over to the next model, I wanted to show you how beautiful these views are here in this community. You're really going to enjoy this, and it really is scenic. And when we say we're at the base of the White Tanks, check that out, because we really truly are right up against the mountains here. This is going to be a great community. And we're going to head on into the current model. This is 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage, 2661 square feet. And they offer 3 different elevations here for you to choose from. I really think they do a great job here of keeping the price point affordable and yet making a really beautiful design on these homes. Okay, right off here to the right, we have what's shown as an office space here. This will be a flex room. This doesn't have a closet in it, so it would not be considered a full bedroom by state standard. And then we have 2 bedrooms split with a shared bath as usual. Then right after we come into the hallway again, we're going to take a right, and here's your guest bath. Beautiful design. Here we are in this absolutely fabulous open living space. I just think these are fantastic designs. Everything looks very, very large in here, which is what we like. I love how the island is not 2 feet from the banquet cabinets over here on the right, so it's very spacious. You have room to work, maybe more than one of you when you're cooking and prepping food. Here's your pantry space. And here's your drop-off space. So in other words, this would be your exit out into your garage. Look at this beautiful dining room. Again, very spacious, light and bright. And you have this crazy large seating space here with 2 extra size couches. Now let's go check out this right side behind the dining room right here. You're going to have a 4th bedroom suite. And here's the bathroom. And I've always enjoyed en-suites where the bathroom is actually in the bedroom, but I'm not so sure that this isn't a better design, because then you can utilize the bathroom and not go into someone's bedroom, and yet the person that is sleeping in here or using this bedroom is just a couple of steps away from using the bathroom over here, so it really works out. And then let's just walk straight across the home and check out the main suite. Once again, same theme, very nice size, king size bed, oversized end tables here. One thing is for sure, in this bathroom, this vanity is quite a bit more spacious than we saw in the last model. So that's nice. And once again, we have the super walk-in shower. Let's go into this closet because you're going to find a surprise over here. It's kind of tight at the moment, but this door splits up the space. And then right around the corner here, oh my goodness, here we are into the laundry space directly from the main bedroom. So that's fantastic. And this is very good size as well. Let's wrap this one up and go check out the next model. Okay, we've just stepped into the Lagoon model. This is 2,663 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and a 3-car tandem garage. And right away, this is just a little open sitting area. You could also use this for an office if you needed to. And we're gonna head straight through. Over here to the right, we have our entryway into the garage and drop zone, as well as our guest bath here on the main floor. Let's go check out the main living area. Here's a beautiful open floor plan once again. They've got it showing with some custom cabinetry right here. And a good size kitchen, as well as a nice dining room area over here. Check out this pantry space here as well. Right around the corner, we have a little bonus for you, which we do typically see in some of the 2-story floor plans. Gives you some nice extra storage as well. Here we're showing modern cabinetry, as well as Whirlpool appliance packages that these would be standard in the home. All right, we have one more space to check on over here in this main floor. Here's a bonus space for you. It is quite small. I wouldn't consider this a bedroom size. You can make this a storage area perhaps. They show this as kind of like a little hobby area, which is not a bad way to use the space. And it does have a window in there, so that makes it nice and bright. Let's head upstairs and check out the 2nd floor. Right away as you come up the stairs, here's your loft area. And then moving forward, here's your laundry space. Straight ahead into bedroom number 2. And why I say 2 is because it's not the main. I'll pretty much always call the main bedroom, bedroom number 1. And these homes are part of Dysart School District. The schools here are B+ rated. So your high school for the area is Shadow Ridge. And your elementary, which is a K through 8 school, is Mountain View Elementary. This is a beautiful room as well. Very nice size. Plenty of room for the kids. And another thing I like about the second floor of Mattamy Homes, in this case, is that the ceilings are nice and tall as well. So you don't have that second story feel. And here we are in the main suite. Beautiful and very spacious. And here you are in the main bath with a good sized shower and toilet room. All right, this wraps up the tour of Model Home 3. Let's go downstairs and talk about the incentives that we discussed. Right now, Mattamy is offering some fantastic deals on closing costs and rate buy downs right now, valued at up to $60,000. And in addition to that, they're offering half off incentives up to $75,000 if you're choosing to build from the ground up. And you would be amazed at how much these incentives really help you with your home purchase and help you to ease the interest rates and the closing costs associated with buying a house. We just helped a first-time home buyer get into a Mattamy home last month, and I will tell you that they really help these young folks get into a beautiful Mattamy home, just like the ones we've showed you today, for a really reasonable price. So if you're on the fence about buying, reach out to us. We work really hard for our clients to get them the absolute best deals possible on their new home purchase. You can text, email, or set up a Zoom call. The link is below down in the description box, and we'd love to hear from you. And if you want to check out another video about this area in general, here's one by Fulton Homes. We hope you enjoy it.